Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Robinhood stop working right after you updated your iPhone to the latest iOS? This is one of the most searched stock app problems after every Apple update, and here's the fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflicts with trading apps, and a full restart clears most of them right away. After restarting, go to the App Store. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then, scroll down and look for Robinhood in the list of available updates. Trading and finance app like Robinhood releases compatibility updates within hours of major iOS release because of how critical their uptime is. Tap update right away if you see it. If there is no update available yet and Robinhood is still broken, go to your settings app, go to general, then go to iPhone storage and scroll down until you find Robinhood in the list of apps. Once you find it, tap on it and then offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and reinstall it fresh from there. This always gives you a version built for your current iOS. So all you gotta do is restart your phone, check App Store for Robinhood update, offload and reinstall if still broken. Robinhood working now on new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.